Hello, I'm Zaiden at Kyle's Auto Repair, and I'm going to be detailing my dad's GMC Sierra. This is my dad's 2001 GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.0 gas, and here's the walk around of the before. Alright, well, let's get to washing. I'll spin it by Kyle's Auto Repair, but I'm back with the truck. I just finished cleaning it. My dad's 2001 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is the aftermath of the wash. It looks very good, tinted windows, but yeah, this was the video, or the wash of my dad's 2001 GMC Sierra. I washed and detailed the wheels. Very good now. Thank y'all for watching. Like always, like and subscribe, and go down there, hit the notifications button.